This is a GOQ D90 3-lens car camera, and this is the forward button. Okay, so when you press the forward button, it can change the viewing mode if you plug in the rear camera. And then let me introduce you forward, backward, and top is the M button and OK button. Okay, in this video I will guide you how to access the menu and then do a format. Okay, the M is stand for menu. You press, long press and hold, okay, until you come out this page. Okay, and then you want go to this page, second page. Okay, how you go to the second page? You press again the M, short press. Okay, and then you come to the LCD brightness. Okay, and then you press the forward button. It's a down button, and then you see a format, right? This is the format. You press the format, delete all data. Okay, you press the OK button, and then it's formatting. Okay, so make sure you using the original memory card, minimum 8 GB to maximum 32 GB. Okay, so let me demo you another. This is the memory card. Okay, you can see this is the memory card that we are using. We recommend the SanDisk Class 10 memory card. Make sure you're using 8 GB to a maximum 32 GB. Okay, so if you format everything, make sure you're using the car power adapter, not the USB cable. Plug into your car, and then you can start. When you power on the engine, the camera trigger the power, the camera will start, and then you can notice there's a recording. Okay, you can see the red dot is the timer is running and the red dot is blinking, which means it's recording. When recording, you cannot access the menu button. Okay, so what you need to do is you have to press the OK button to make it stop first. You press the OK button, it stop, and then you can short press the long press the menu, long press, and then you come to this page. You can access all the function, and short press again the menu. You can come to the second page. Okay, this is how the car camera function. Okay, if anything don't understand, you can ask me. Thank you.